Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can mask shapes onto your text in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select text and I'm just going to add in my default text here. I'll just do like one big L. Of course you can type in whatever you want to this. I'm just like trying to show you like how you can mask the actual text. I'm trying to find like a really bold font here. Okay, that one looks good. And I'm going to color it pink. Okay, so to mask a shape in it, right click, create compound clip. Go to video, go to mask, and select whichever shape you want. And I'm going to select reverse. I'm going to make the heart super small, and I'm just going to place it on the letter like that. You can also mask in some gradients as well. I'm just going to type in the rest, love, here. And I'm just going to select some colors. Let's say this one. And like, let's choose another color. This green. And maybe this purple. Right click, create compound clips separately. And I'm just going to select on each of them and I'm going to apply this horizontal mask and I'm going to feather that out, and here as well. Horizontal here and feather that out. That's how you can mask texts on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!